How to connect MetaTrader account to TradingView. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect MetaTrader to TradingView. So first thing, just open your MetaTrader application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now simply tap on this add trading account and find a broker. Now simply search in for the broker that is TradingView from over here. And you see there is no TradingView directly. So unfortunately, you cannot directly connect TradingView to MetaTrader because there is no option available. So in that case, what you actually want to do is just open up your TradingView application itself. Make sure you have already downloaded it. So I'll simply show you from an example, and once inside here, just tap on this menu button at the bottom right corner and simply select the brokers option. And from over here, you need to click on source to find the MetaTrader and successfully connect it with a MetaTrader account. But in some reason, there are no options available for TradingView. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.